everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Ben, and if this is your first time visiting my channel, thank you very much. Today is very special because we're going to be reacting to Morissette Amon's version of Fly Like a Bird. Three things before I go on with the video. Sorry, it's just going to be quick. First is that I can't believe I missed this video. I saw in the video that it was released 4 months ago, and I was like, what the heck, where have I been? And then I started seeing in the feed in YouTube how many people have reacted to it already, and I told myself it's time for me to do this since I'm doing my reaction video. There's no perfect way of doing my reaction videos but to do a reaction video for Morissette Amon. I think it's blessing in disguise. Second, Morissette herself. She's phenomenal, and I can't just wait to watch the video because I know that she's gonna give justice to that video. It's just, I'm just so excited. Third and lastly, the song itself. The song itself, Fly Like a Bird, it's very special. It's one of the best track from the album of Mariah Carey way back in 2005, which is Emancipation of Mimi. I remember falling in love with it instantly the first time I heard it, and let me just tell you, it's in my playlist until now, and I play it every now and then, and whenever I see it. You know, whenever you're scrolling, you're not doing anything, you're tired of listening to the radio or Spotify or anything in YouTube, and then you just want to go back to your playlist and like, oh, there's actually a music player in my phone, and I actually got songs in it. And then I see the song, Fly Like a Bird, instantly play it again. It's just there for, I think, years now. So, without further ado, let's start the video. Yeah, bass. Oh, black and white. Good choice. She's so pretty as well. Yeah. That restraint from her and the softness of it, it's just the best mix ever. I could definitely hear Mariah there, and it's nothing to be worried about because she's doing very good. Because I feel unconditional love, one who cares enough for me to raise on my breath. Yeah. Again, how she's restraining her voice and doing it with a falsetto head tone is a really good mix because, you know, at the start of the song you do not really want to give it all right away, and you know that we're onto something bigger later on, so I can't just wait. Sorry for that, I have to pause and comment, I can't just help it. This song is really good, I really love it. Yeah! You know that she's trying to own the song? I'm telling you, I know the song because I've been like playing it in my playlist for a long time now. She's doing some subtle changes, and that really makes a huge difference if you know the song. So you can see that she's leveling it up, and I commend her for that. Yeah! that transition from head tone to falsetto to a belt, and at the same time she's trying to still kind of holding it back, is so clean that you do not see any difference. But when you listen to it closely, you know it's something that expert can only do. And you know, she's my number one expert. Oh, Mori, you're really good. See, the backup vocals are also the instrumentalist. How good is this? Yeah, come on. Ah! No effort there. Wait, did you hear the backup vocals, the instrumentalists? I mean, I know that there's gonna be layering there because there's just the two of them, and I'm not sure if the one singing the higher octave of the backup vocals is Morissette, or a falsetto coming from one of the instrumentalists. If it is the latter, then wow, they're really good. But I have a feeling that it's Mori helping them also with the backup vocals. So go on. Yeah, Mori, come on. Yeah! Again, the backup vocals are doing really great. It's so tight, how they're doing the harmonies, and again, I believe that Mori is up has recorded some parts of it, but Morissette, what can I say? She's doing what she's intended to do with this song. She wanted to change it a little bit from the earlier part of the song, but she's staying true to the melody and to the vocal arrangement of it. I can say that it's a true copy of Mariah with regards to the vocal arrangement, but I'm not saying that it's bad, and she's really doing really well with it. So this is gonna be the last part, and I know the song how it goes crazy with the last part. So let's see. Come on, Mori. I can't even. I know that there's gonna be crazy whistling at the end of the song itself, but I forgot, and maybe I never noticed that there's actually a word in the whistle at the end of the song, which is Jesus. And Jesus, she did it! I now remember when Mariah Carey sang that song in one of the shows, American Idol. There was like a telethon that time. Yes, I can still remember. I just don't remember which season it was, but I remember her singing it and how raw it was. But that whistle note at the end, Mori, and the Jesus, who does that? Of course Mariah did it, but who does that other than them? she's really upping her game here, and it's so beautiful. Again, she remained loyal to the song itself. She did some few very subtle changes in the verses in the beginning, but it did not take away the essence of it. Definitely not, because it's just too little. But again, if you know the song, you would notice how she would want to make it her own, at least on that little sense of that little part of the song. But the remainder of the song, it's already Maury, I'm so proud of you, and I can just wait to react for more. So that's it. That's amazing Morissette Amon singing the amazing song Fly Like a Bird. If you like my reaction, please give me a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and maybe the notification bell as well. And thank you very much for watching. And always take care. Again, the virus is still there, so please maintain social distancing, wear masks, stay safe and healthy. Bye!